Hi YouTube, this is Leola from Elle's Corner, and I'm about to do a tutorial. I did my, I'm not doing kinky twist anymore. I'm actually doing faux locks, and I've been wearing this for faux locks about, I don't know, 6-7 months now, or maybe it could have been longer than that. But anyway, here is the tutorial. So I'm going to do an updo, and we'll see how it's going to come out right. So I'm going to do my normal. I'm going to pull up my hair on each side to do like a basket weaving. And it doesn't really matter how much you grab on each side. You can grab a little, you can grab a lot if you're trying to hurry up and get done. Me, I think the smaller the bunches you pull up, the better it comes out. Alright, so it looks like my hair the other hair trying to get in the way. So anyway, I have to do this right quick because I have an appointment. So all I'm doing is pulling each side up until I pull all my hair. You don't want to pull it too tight, but you don't want it loose either. It needs to be kind of secure, kind of tight when you pull it up. Alright. So I'm down to my last strands of hair. So now I'm going to turn around. So all the hair that I pulled up, I'm going to turn back around so you can see the hair pulled up. So what I'm going to do is the last two sections that I pulled up on each side, that's my hair. So the last two sections that I pulled up as such. Now I'm going to take these two and I'm going to go up underneath, pull the hair, all the hair that I pulled to the front. I'm pulling it, pushing it to the back, and then the two strands of hair, the two sections that I put on each side, I'm going to use this as like a tie. So I'm going to twist it around, I'm going to turn it, I'm going to do a tie. So I'm just tying it like so. So I can secure this top portion. So what I'm going to do now is, as you see, it's almost like in a bun. And you make sure that your hairs that you pull is sitting in between. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this hair that I have sectioned off, a little section that I have sectioned off. So I'm going to twist. I'm going to twist it around here because I'm going to have this laying to the side. So I'm twisting it all the way around, up underneath, and then I'm going to secure what I just pulled around. With a long bobby pin. Like I said, I'm just doing this really quickly together because I have an appointment. So, alright, so that is secure. So I'm going to put all my hair like that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do another section, grab another section of my hair, and I'm going to twist it around. Okay, I'm not liking it. Okay. So I'm going to twist it around like this. Twisting it like this, and I'm wrapping that around, and I'm going to secure it like that. Alright, so now I still got a section left. So what I'm gonna do is, since I already got this hair, it's already, and I don't like this long strand of hair hanging down here, so I'm going to somehow, I'm going to wrap it around and stick it up in here because it's uneven. Well, I ain't gonna say it's uneven, it's just a section I don't want hanging, as long as hair hanging, one little strand of hair hanging way down here. Seem out of the norm. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a section, take this again, and I'm going to wrap it in. What I'm doing is I'm trying to do a unique twist around. So all I did is I took the section I have here and wrapped it around here. So I'm going to take this part and I'm going to, this section on this side, I'm just going to twist it up and wrap it on the opposite side. Yeah. And then any hairs that I have hanging loose, I'm going to bind it with this while I'm twisting it around. And all I'm doing is like twist it all the way around. Then I have like I'm just pushing it in like this. And my pins. Alright, so as you see, I am finishing up. This didn't take too long, as you see. Like I said, I did this hairstyle, a similar hairstyle, when I was in the middle of finishing up my hair. Let's see, you can either leave it hanging long like this. I don't know about this hair. I don't like, it looks unique. If it was probably curly, I probably could do it, but I don't like it hanging down, so I'm gonna mix it into my hair. So all I'm doing is just pulling it up and I'm going to stick it in between hairs, in my back of my hairs, whatever. Just plug it in. Okay, so now I have somewhat of an updo with the hair hanging down. And you see how I have it all twisted and I have it all secured with a pin. If you think it's going to come loose, you just keep sticking pins in it. Stick your little hair pins in so you know it's secure. And like I said, I know I just did some hairs, put a hair back and stuck it in between this hair because of locks, because it looks like locks. It's kind of and it's got a different texture. So when you twist it, it's better than the kinky twist. It just looks so natural. And everybody thinks that it's real locks, and this really isn't. It really is faux locks. So I get a lot of compliments on my styles that I throw together. And this is the style, as you see, that I threw together. And you just want to make sure that you secure every piece of your hair with a pin as much as you can to hold it in place. And here we have the finished product. I still don't like this hair. You can always lay the hair however you want it. And I may do some curling at the ends. Like I said, I'm not liking this mess here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see the back. And it's pretty much the same kind of style I did with my kinky twist. But as you see, this is a style for the locks. So, I mean, it's just let me do it, see if you can see it up close. Because you can see how I have it here. And I'll turn around. You can see. This is the side. The hair hanging on the side. And I have it all twisted up. So here is the updo. So if you follow along, you can just keep rewinding and see how I did. But all I did was just twisted it around. Look like this hair is pulling away. Alright. Okay. So thank you for watching. And hopefully I have some more tutorials for faux locks. And I hope that you like this style. And hope you try it out. And you can follow me on Facebook under Leola Epps. And I also have a Facebook page, a couple of Facebook pages. And you can follow me under L's Corner Management, which is what I named this video under, is on L's Corner. But it's L Gooden Epps. It's actually my maiden name and married name. You can follow me on L's Corner Management, Gifted with Skills, help me how every living person matters every day, and my husband's barbecue sauce, savored flavor gourmet barbecue and steak sauce. So you can follow me on all those pages. Just find me on Facebook, Leola Epps, and just follow me. And if you do one of my hairdos that you have saw on YouTube, just post it on my page, and I'll be glad, and I'll definitely respond. Thank you so very much, and you guys have a blessed and wonderful day.